10 sets of free, printable wedding table numbers. Evermine has created these beautiful Moroccan-style wedding table numbers that are available in lime, Aruba, deep blue, and gray. Wedding table numbers are available through 30 and include printing directions on the first page of the download. To print, open up the PDF file and print one table number per page for each table you have. Invitations by Dawn has a whopping 90 free, printable wedding table number sets available in all different sorts of styles and colors. From rustic to elegant, they really do have it all. Download the wedding table numbers as a single PDF file that includes numbers 1 through 40. Each table number measures 5 inches by 7 1/4, folded. Here are some classic black and white wedding table number templates that look great when placed in a frame at the center of the table. Table numbers 1 to 31 are available as a free PDF download. Botanical Paperworks has created these beautiful chalkboard-style wedding table numbers with all of the style and none of the mess. These free, printable wedding table numbers are available in numbers 1 to 25 in a single PDF file, allowing you to print all the numbers or just the ones you need. These color wash wedding table numbers from Evermine are available in coral, Aruba, or lilac. Included in the free download are the numbers 1 through 20. The simplicity of this wedding table number makes it elegant yet understated and will go with any type of wedding reception decor or theme. Numbers 1 to 10 are available and they print out 5 by 7 inches. You'll need to provide your email address to get the download link. The Bridal Blog has created some truly classic black and white wedding table numbers. These wedding table numbers are available in numbers 1 through 30 and are sized 4 by 6. Rustic Wedding Chic has designed these trendy chalkboard wedding table numbers that are free for you to download and print. These wedding table numbers print 2 per page and are numbered 1 to 6. The free, printable wedding table numbers from the budget-savvy bride come in black, gray, and blue. These table numbers are great if you have lots of tables at your reception. They're available through 30. These free wedding table numbers from Wedding Chicks can be customized by choosing your own design and number color from over 20 colors. You can also use this same theme to create your own wedding invitations, RSVP cards, and menus. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.